Hi, welcome to my new video on the Chuan Grove Government Land Sale site or GLS site. Hi, my name is Tae Hock Meng. I'm a certified unmanned aircraft drone pilot and also a registered real estate salesperson. This latest video on the Chuan Grove Government Land Sale site is part of a series of videos across Singapore regarding government land sale sites as well. I've done it throughout 2025 and part of 2024 as well. You may also tune into my video series on YouTube. So the drone is slowly throttling upwards and the town of Bishan and part of Central Expressway or CTE and the Bishan MRT depot are shown. The Chuan Grove Government Land Sale site is a 99-year leasehold project comprising of 2 plots, which I will explain later. The site is also conveniently located through major linkways and roadways such as the Central Expressway or CTE and also the Pan Island Expressway or PIE. So as the drone is yawing towards the left hand side, and on the right hand side you can see part of the building that belongs to the Australian International School or AIS. In front of the video you can see the 999-year leasehold Chuan and the large plot of Chuan Grove are shown right in front here. The Chuan Grove GLS site is comprising of 2 plots which were successfully awarded to the same consortium comprising of SGX-listed Sing Holdings and Malaysia developer Sunway Development. The first site was won by the same consortium for a price of 703.6 million or 1,376 PSF PPR. That 99-year leasehold site measures 511,232 square feet and can yield about 550 new residential units. The second site was awarded to the same consortium, which had been a bid of 623.9 million, which will translate to a land rate of 1,331 PSF per plot ratio. That latest site measures 156,231 square feet, which will yield about 505 residential units with a maximum gross area of 468,693 square feet. For expatriate families who are keen to send their children to a reputable international school, the Australian International School would make a perfect school for these families. As you can see, the Chuan Grove GLS site is encircling a lot of roadways and is also located across the Lorong Chuan MRT station, which is on the Circle Line. Incidentally, the land plot is also located across Chuan Park, which recently made the headlines when developer Kingsford Group successfully sold a lot of units during this launch day at an average price of 2,586 dollars PSF. As we come to the end of the video, I welcome any collaborations as I specialize in making drone videos of property developments and also land plots. I welcome collaboration with developers, homeowners and real estate salesperson. Thank you. You may find my contacts and I'll see you soon. Thank you.